been cutting some metal out, so that's going to be my bottom piece to box in the chassis rail, and just been marking out this, but I'll show you that a little bit later. So I'm still as yet to weld in this chassis leg permanently. There's a few adjustments that I wanted to make, and those being these inspection holes, I guess they are. I was a little bit concerned that the throttle linkage, if there was any adjustment to be done once it was all welded in, it may well hit the side of the chassis leg, so I've just elongated that by 20mm. And another adjustment that I had to make on this side of the inner chassis leg was actually elongating this inspection hole for the brake pivot arm. Now, if there was any work that would have needed to be done in the future, it would have proven difficult to actually get that arm off of that shaft without an enlarged hole there. And in fact, where the chassis rail comes in two sections, I did have to weld it slightly inwards just so it gave me more space to pull the arm off. What's also made it difficult on this part of the bus is that I haven't actually found any reference pictures to go by, and the old videos and photos that I have taken of the previous repairs I can't rely on, because they obviously wasn't as original anyway and badly done. So at least I now know that I can service everything where I've elongated them holes. Everything's accessible. So this is that marked out piece that I showed you earlier, and now I've got it cut out, and this is actually a brace for both the rails that sits on top. So I've got to take the remnants of the old piece out there, and I shall weld this back in its place where it should be.